have a long time, so I let the weeks go by. I'm sorry that I missed you that day when you came through. I didn't know the last time would be our last goodbye. I'm sorry that I missed you when you called me last June. But now that I've lost you, I try to forget you and all that we've been through. But there is no use if I'll always love you. I'll let myself miss you, miss you. You never did waste your time. You were always on the next flight. It's almost like you already knew. Since the day you turned 22, you always gave me that smile, even if it had been a while. I'm sorry that I missed you when you asked, are you coming through? But now that I've lost you, I try to forget you and all that we've been through. But there is no use if I'll always love you. I'll let myself miss you, miss you. If I had known then I won't see you again, I wouldn't have missed you, missed you. I'll hold on to regrets till I see you again. All I can do is miss you, miss you. If I had known then I won't see you again, I wouldn't have missed you, missed you. I'll hold on to regrets till I see you again. All I can do is miss you, miss you.
Kok nggak bantuin tadi di warung? Tadi nggak bantuin juga, nggak bantuin ambil buah. Ntar pandianya apa? Tuh, si Pandia malah dia rusak. Ini Pandia yang rusakin ya? Pandia Pandia ditaruh di leher itu apa sih itu? Recorder enggak? Jadi sama recorder. Buat apa? Recorder. Kita ngomong apa? Iya, kan dia nggak makan rujak.
Udah dulu dah.